need a second to get organized. What's up, everybody? I've just sat down, so I need like I don't know, like just give me like a minute just to kind of like get organized, and then we'll get kicking. ABCD is a rectangle made of six identical. It has an area of 51. Skills. Didn't I give you guys that question? Do you want to do it again? We could do that. Yeah, we could do that if you want to. But I feel like we already did that question. But I mean, I don't care. Let's run it back. What's up, Tejas? What's up, Zach? What's up, everybody? Mm, dude, yeah. What's up, Rodney? Hey, geek. Dude, yeah. School starts tomorrow. That's fun. That's so much fun. I've been telling people like school is fun. I enjoyed school, to be honest, but being an adult is way better. It just is. What's up, Henry? Hey, April. Okay, so let's go. How do I want to start today? Oh, that's right. Oh, what's up, Rachel? Um, yeah. So I guess you guys are getting your schedules and stuff, which is cool. Isn't it crazy that this time next year you'll be getting ready to go to your high school? Wow. All right. So the first thing we have to talk about is that I think what I wanted to start off with is age game stuff. So to get into that, I want to just give some examples and things like that. Um, Let me see what the chat's saying. Living environment. Yeah, I don't know what is it just public schools that are starting tomorrow, or is this like everybody? Like, how does that work? Okay, skills. You want to do that question? Let's do it. I really like that one, dude. So we'll start off with some geometry, but then I do want to get into age games and like turning words into algebra because I think that's a hard concept. So let me just draw one up really quick. 1, 8. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, we did this one like forever ago, but it's a really good question. I've been doing this like geometry question since I started tutoring SHSAT. Oh, sorry for yeah. I'm sorry for yelling into the mic, but I just like messed up the last line of this diagram. Look at how bad that is. Okay. Give me another second. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's like 5 minutes into the stream and I'm not even a single problem yet. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay. Wait, does that work? Yeah, that works. Okay. All right. Why does this look really wrong? Uh-oh. That's okay. That's okay. All right. This might not be terrible. Oh yeah, and welcome all the new people to the stream. This is probably the most disorganized start to a stream I've had in like weeks. But I went on a little break, bro. I don't know if you guys know that. Okay, cool. So let me scroll up and get to the question that Skills dropped. Shout out to Skills for this question. Okay, is it 54? What was it? Oh, so skills actually has a different question than what I was thinking. Oh, sorry, skills. Like spent way too much time doing this, and you had like a way simpler question. Oh no, you didn't. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is the question. I think it's a really good one. So, shout out to Skills for dropping it in the chat, but let's do it. Yeah, some people remember this one. Yeah, totally April. Well, let's keep it fresh. Let's keep it fresh. I'll give you guys like 2 minutes. Let's get it. What's up, Venna? It's a hard question too. Skills got 30. Henry got 30. Alicia got 30. Alicia, aka Alicia. Zach's got 36. Wiz. Sorry, Zach, you can't change your answer, player. Leo's got 30. Yeah, do you remember this one, Laurel? Yeah, this is a good one. April. This one's like as old as time. Geek. Nice. Tamika. Nice. Where's that Tomika? Shad. Nice. Tejas. Tejas. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. What's up, boss? Nice, dude. Okay, yeah, you guys absolutely really crushed this one. I'm curious. Laurel. I got you, Tomika. Right here, bro. Laurel. Zach regrets everything at this point. So what is Wiz? Rachel, I got you. What is Wiz talking about? 6 rectangles. That's 9. Giyu, I got you. That's cool. Giyu, I got you. Probably saying that wrong. Sorry. Venna. So 9 multiplied by x equals 56. X equals 6? That's an interesting way to get it, Rodney. Yeah, welcome back, Abaz. Yeah, man. The last 2 days I could not do the stream. I was like just so busy, and then now I'm finally able to do the stream. I'm like so pumped. Yeah. So yeah, Wiz, I don't know if that is actually just you finessing numbers and getting a right answer, or oh, that's cool, Q. Um, so yeah, let me see here. Q. All right, cool. So yeah, let's go into this. So this is actually a much more difficult problem than it presents itself to be. And I'm gonna zoom out so y'all can see it. That's the corner of my laptop, my crappy laptop. Okay, so we know that all 6 of these is going to equal 54. So the way that I like to do this problem is to first kind of notice the relationship between the shapes. So this is a length, this is a length, and notice that the length of these small rectangles is the same size as 4 of the widths. So I'm going to go ahead and say that the width of a rectangle is x, 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 and there's 4 of them. So this is 4x, this is x, this is x, so that's a total of 6x. And this here is 4x. So we know that 6x times 4x is going to equal 54. 24x squared equals 54. Okay, this is getting crazy difficult already. Divided by 24. I don't know if these are the same number. So that can reduce, that'd be 27 over 12? Oi, that is nasty. That can't be the numbers I used before. This is so difficult. Okay, whatever. We're going to grind on it, dudes. So we know that x squared is going to equal 27 over 12. And I think both of these can be divided by 3, right? Yeah. So this would be the same thing as 9 over 4. Okay, yeah, we're in business now, bro. We're in business now, boys. So x squared equals 9 over 4. This is kind of a cool trick that you can do with square roots and squares and stuff. Yeah, I'll see that. Yeah. So take the square root of both sides. This is like saying the square root of 9 over the square root of 4. You can distribute square roots like that. That's like something you can literally do. So that's actually pretty chill. So what we know is that x equals 3 over 2. This will be an answer choice, but don't get faked. Because we know the perimeter is going to be 4x, 6x, 4x, 6x. So that's going to be 10x, 20x. So the perimeter equals 20x. That's the perimeter. So we're just going to substitute in our 3 over 2 for our x. So 20 times 3 over 2. That's going to be 30. Dude. The chat is absolutely on fire. Wow. How do we know it's 6x again, April? I got you. Right here, I'm just going to arbitrarily, just like randomly decide that this side length is x. And notice, x, 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 x. That's 4 x's that make up that width. And so since this is an identical rectangle, this is going to be 4 x's wide too. And then we have another width here, and we have another width here, so that's 6 x's. That's how this one goes down. Yeah, exactly, you. Nice. Yeah, dude, Wiz, you were just smashing numbers together. You know what they say? It's smarter to be lucky than lucky to be smart. So, play on, player. That's the first paper murder of the day. All right, so I want. Oh, Rhoda, I just crumbled it. I'm so sorry. I can go into the trash and explain it. Hold on, let me get my. Okay. Sorry, I was like, I just assumed that. Okay. This is so sad. Oh my god. All right, so basically what I'm saying, yeah, exactly, they're next to each other. This is a width here, and it's 4 x's wide. And since they're all identical, that's an x, and that's an x, and that's 4x, and that's 4x, and that's 4x, and that's xx, so that's 6x total. And so the area is just length times width, 6x times 4x. Then I did some algebra and reduced it to x equals 3 over 2. Yeah, sorry for that. I'm not going to crumple this up in case you have another question. I'm going to leave this nice piece of paper right over here. Dude, you guys should see my desk. It's like really nice right now. I got like a really good setup. Yeah, I am a paper killer. I murder trees. Yeah. Okay, so let me do an age game problem. I'm going to use this as like a scrap piece of paper here. So let's see. Give me like a second to put something together for you guys. Okay. Okay, I got my question. Yeah, you can get a desk tour, maybe. All right, let's see. Um, okay. All right, dudes. Here's the question. Let me see. Okay. All right. No, this is what I want. All right, let's get it. Joe Nancy is 1/11th the age of Poe. I really could zoom in on that. Enhance. In 8 years, Poe will be 3 times as old as Joe Nancy. How old was Poe last year? I'll give you guys like another minute on this. Rachel's in the box. Nice. Okay, I got Wiz 42. Give you guys like another 30 seconds, 45 seconds. No, Wiz, I saw that, bro. Dude, I swear, there's going to be a grid and answer that's 42 on the actual test. Dude, is this stumping you guys? Saggy? Oh my god. 1 and 2 over 7? Henry, can you format that answer a little bit differently? What what do you mean? April? Okay. Shad? Nice. Alicia? Okay. It seems like everybody's thinking it's this. Laurel? What the problem you emailed me, Shad? Leo? Leo's like, it's forever. Dude, isn't Forever 21 like closing down or something? Tejas? Introvert? Dude, Introvert, you dropped a really good explanation in the Discord, dude. That was really good. Geek? Rodney? Jordan, I got you, bro. I got you, bro. There's a U at the end. That's kind of a U right there, bro. If you're new to the chat, you'll sometimes it's a little sloppy. I don't know what I can tell you. Vena, nice. They are finally 22. Oh, that's a pretty good pun, April. Jordan, got you, bro. All right, cool. So let's go over this one. I think that's enough time. All right, dudes. Whenever you see a problem like this with two variables, we have Joe Nancy's age, we got Poe's age. That's going to be a system of equation, right? So like when, or actually, let me start from the scratch. Whenever we have two variables, that means we have two equations to solve. We need to have two equations because we have two variables. So let's write out what we know. Joe Nancy is 1/11th the age of Poe. That means Joe Nancy is equals 1/11th the age of Poe. Remember, the word is means equals. J is 1/11th Poe. Bang. In 8 years, so it's no longer Joe Nancy because however old he is, he's going to be 8 years older. So it's going to be J plus 8. Poe will be 3 times as old. So it's going to be, I mean, let's see. Poe is going to be 8 years older. And if Poe is going to be 3 times as old, that means Joe Nancy needs to be times by 3 in order to equal Poe's age. Now we got a system of equation, bro. Every time I see a J, I can put in a 111p. So 3 equals 1 over 11p. These numbers are heinous on purpose. I try to make them as hard as possible for you guys. So then we can distribute here and just kind of do that. So 3 over 11p plus 24 equals p plus 8. I'm going to subtract 24 from each side, minus 24 from each side. I probably shouldn't have done that, but whatever. 3 over 11 p equals p minus 16. So now what I'm going to do is subtract this negative, or subtract this 311p from each side. Minus 311p, minus 3 over 11p. And that's kind of difficult because then we have p minus 3 over 11p. But I'll just make this into a decimal, or into a fraction, because it's going to be 11 over 11p minus 3 over 11p. So what we're going to get is 8 over 11p. So on this side, we have 0, because I've subtracted it out, equals 8 over 11p minus 16. That's why I regret putting the number on that side. And so what we get is 16 equals 8 over 11p. Now to get rid of that divided by 11, we have to multiply it by 11. So 11, 11. And don't mess this up, because I've actually 6, 1, 0, 6, 1. I've noticed that like 176. So 176 equals 8p. I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides. This is where a lot of kids mess up, just in the division, just doing this. 22. So 22 equals p. Thank you, thank you, thank you, chat. Nobody put 22. That is excellent. Well done. Because what I'm asking is, how old was Poe last year? The last thing you should do before you answer a question and move on is reread the question. Couldn't you do 11j equals p? Yeah, you could do that, April. That would actually be a lot easier. Oh, skills. Sorry, bro. Yeah. Yeah, that'd actually be a lot easier. So shout out to Rachel or April for making the problem way easier than mine. Or it actually was Rachel. My bad. Yeah, it is tedious. I know, it's like whatever, but that's how we get it done. Well done, dude. Well done. Okay. What's up, Andrew? So now I'm gonna make it a little bit more difficult because you guys absolutely incinerated that. Let me see. What would be hard? Hold on, I know what would be hard. Just give me a second. I'm gonna bring up this problem that's like really old. I just have to find it. Okay. I have like 5 programs opening, so it's like okay, yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay. Uh, let's see. Mm, uh, okay, cool. All right. Okay, so yeah, that works out. Oh my god. Okay, this is a really hard one, so get ready. Let's see. If you have a question, you can totally drop it in, man. I know. I'm sorry, Rachel. You know, you know what I mean. Okay, let's get it. Yellow is 3 years older than half of Xavier's age. If 8 times Xavier's age is 27 years older than Yellow, how old is Xavier? What did it cost? Everything. uh, Thanks, boss. Yeah, if you actually, it's been proven that if you like my stream, that you'll get at least a 560 on the SHSAT. I mean, that's just kind of that's like the rumor, I guess. Yeah, Muster, we're going in on these. Then Gyu, you just gotta like pick ELA or you gotta pick math, and you just gotta commit, bro. Like this channel generally committed to math, but like, yeah, dude, like you know that like Wiz, that's funny. You know that like meme where that dude's sweating and like dabbing his forehead? That's Wiz when he's using answer choice of 42. He's like, oh god, I just want to pick it. Okay. Ooh, this is a hard one. Thanks, Jordan. Yeah, Jordan, you're definitely, since you like the video, you're definitely gonna get a 560. That's a guarantee, bro. Yeah, Gyu, just take a practice test. There's no way you're absolutely even. Rachel's first again. There's no way you're absolutely even on ELA. Lesion, got you, bro. Saggy, I'll give you guys another minute because this one's really hard. Geek, Ma, 563. Tony, I think you're a little off. I think you're a little off. Tejas, got you, bro. Zach, yeah. Well, Rachel, you've been crushing them. And dude, math is so much fun when you crush it. Laurel, dude. Alicia, dude, everybody's crushing this. I thought this was supposed to be hard. This one was supposed to be really hard. Maybe the right answer is not 4. Maybe that's what's up. Henry, April, you got -4, Laurel. I think that's wrong. Wiz. Introvert. Yeah, that's actually true, Rachel. Venna. Good. Dude, I can't believe everybody got this one. This was supposed to be hard. Shad, a boss. I mean, I know you guys are smart, but. Oh, Mustard, did I miss you, bro? What was your answer? Did you also have 4? Did I give you Venna? I got you Venna. Okay. Yeah, it's 4 crunchies on it, too. Crunchy wrote it out. Wow. Yeah, I think you are too, Laurel, honestly. Getting a negative number. Yeah. Oh, Shad. Yeah, I remember that one, dude. That is gonna take a long time to explain. So, Jordan, so I'll have to like prep some stuff so that it won't be the entire rest of the stream explaining how to graph a circle. You know what I mean? Skills. Yeah, Xavier could be an alien. He's -4. He's like in an egg. He's like incubating. Okay. Statelets are mostly individuals, so there's less confusion. Maybe that's what it is. All right, let's go into it because I actually thought this was going to be really hard, but you guys absolutely incinerated it. Like incinerate. I don't even know that word, dude. It's been a lot. I'm kind of beat. All right, so let's go through this. So yellow is 3 years older than half of Xavier's age. So notice what the variables I used are. 0.5 of Xavier, and yellow's 3 years older than that. Isn't that crazy? Why this is in slope intercept form. If you guys remember, this is graphing. Y equals 0.5x plus 3. And then the second one is y equals 8 times Xavier's age. And since Yano is 27 years older than that, we need to subtract 27. So this is just graphing. So whenever you guys get graphing questions, if you get graphing questions and you need to solve them, it's just like an age game, dude. It's just like an age game. That's all that's going on. So normally what we do is we substitute in, but when we substitute in, since they both equal y, we get this really nice equation. 0.5x plus 3 equals 8x minus 27. Dudes, we're home free. Whenever we get to the algebra, I'm like, we are home free. So that is 0.5x plus 30 equals 8x. This next step is kind of lame, but you guys can get through it if you don't make any mistakes. 30 equals 7.5x. So this is actually kind of difficult, but we can just do the division and we'll be okay because we're going to divide both sides by 7.5. 7.5. So I'm going to just do 300, move the decimal place over. 75 into 300, 2 times 75, so 4. Xavier's 4. Chad is absolutely genius. Wow. I was one of the first 5, and I don't get my name. Oh, sorry, Muster. I got you, bro. Got you, dude. Nice. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's how, dude. I was gonna do like a whole stream of age games, but you guys absolutely destroyed the age games I gave you. So prep ended. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah. So is there anything that you guys specifically want to work on? Because I was gonna do age games for the entire thing, but you guys completely destroyed it. Now I could make like a super hard age game that will take you guys like 5 minutes, but maybe I don't know. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. So is there anything specifically you guys have questions on or want to work on like math wise? Yeah. Yeah, I can do like circle problems whiz. Yeah, I can do circle problems for sure. Like the one I was confused on. Which one was that, geek? Oh, the cube. Yeah, circle problems, rate problems, circle problems, circle ninth grade circle problems, how to solve the Roblox question. uh, let's see. Oh, you get pressing prep. Nice, dude. Fraction word problem. Okay, circles. Okay, I'm seeing circles. So I can do like a trig and circle problem. So that shot, we can get some trig in there, bro. Some geometry. Uh, circles. Okay, let's do it. Uh, ooh, that's gonna be really hard. All right, that'll be perfect. It's gonna be really hard. That'd be perfect. All right, so oh man, this is beautiful. This is a tear in my eye. Tears coming to my eye here. Let's see. Okay. This could be. Oh, dude. Um, let's say that this is 2. This is 4. And this is 8. Ooh, okay. This is a 9th grade problem, for sure. So if you can get this, feel good, bros. Okay. All right. Let me just check the chat. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's get it. So check it out, bros. This is the question. In terms of pi, what is the area of the region shaded? Forgot to write the most important part. All right, what's the shaded region? Let's get it. And I think I'm gonna start. All right, Lysion's in it. 64 pi minus 60. Okay, got you, bro. 24 pi minus 60. Sorry, Lysion, I got you, bro. Rachel is 60 minus 16 pi. 60 minus 16 pi. That's Rachel. Nice. Is it drawn to scale? Laurel, it is definitely not drawn to scale. It is definitely not drawn to scale for sure. But listen to your heart on this one, guys. You can do it. Okay. Oof. Oof, Zach. Oh, the tragedy of it, Zach. Thank you. Gotta get used to saying your name. Oh, just totally butchered it. There you go, bro. I know, Zach. I'm just playing with you, dude. Muster. Henry. Oh, what's up, Andrew? What's up, man? Introvert. Noise. Alicia. I'm going into the circle, bros. I'm going in. 64 minus 6 pi. Okay, I got you, bro. 6. You might be right. 64 minus 6 pi. I got you, dude. Who's that? Introvert? Oh, I thought I already got you for an answer, dude. I can't do you again. Rodney. Oh, thanks, Shad. Appreciate that, dude. Phoenix. Yeah, dudes. I don't know if you guys are new to the chat, but I've been like pushing to get 1,000 subs so hard. So if you guys want to, I'd super appreciate if you guys sub and all that stuff. Yeah. Tejas. Dude, you guys did so good. Phoenix. I'm so happy. Yay. Good job, bros. Good job. Okay, let's go over this. This is really good. Yeah, this is a normal stream, my boss. I gotta do like a session after this. 16 pi because. Okay, cool. So let's go through it. So guys, we know that just the area of this sector is so important to find out because the area of the triangle is really easy to find out. So it really is the area of the sector, guys. 45, 45. I handed it to you. This thing is 90. So that's 1/4 of the entire area. What is the area? Pi r squared. Because we're going to be dealing with square units, we're going to use pi r squared. So it's going to be 64 pi, the whole thing. That's pi r squared. So we're going to do 1/4 of that. And that is 16. Okay. 16 pi. So we know that this area is 16 pi. What's the area of just a legit triangle? Well, we know this is 10. No, that's 12. So the whole thing is going to be 10 times, or 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 of 120 is going to be 60. So this whole triangle is 60. The part that is missing is 16 pi. Dude, you guys crushed. Dude, what is going on? Why is the stream so good today? Dude, that is so crazy. Uh, dude, no way. Oh, is it really static? Dude, check it out. I have like a new feature on my light. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to do it. How do I change colors? Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that. It's pretty cool. It's like a party light. Um, and it also has a fan. I got it from Costco. Times are good, dude. Okay. Yeah, you guys are absolutely crushing the chat today. That is so crazy. I'm like blown away. Yeah, that was a short static. It like by the time I figured out how to operate my new light, the static was already gone. So let's see. Let's see. All right, so I'm really like stumped because I'm like kind of impressed with how well you guys are doing. You know what I mean? Because I kind of want to like, can I re-explain it for real? Yeah, I mean I totally can, dude. And I didn't crumple this one up. See how I'm getting better? This is 1/4 of the circle. Just this area, this sector right here is 1/4 of the circle because that's 90 degrees. The whole thing's 360. So 90 out of 360 is 1/4 of it. So I found the whole area, 64 pi, divided it by 4 to find out what the 1/4 of this circle area is, 16 pi. Then I found the area of this triangle, which was 60, and I subtracted 16 pi from it because that's the part that's not shaded. So that's what's up. Nice. Okay. What do you guys think of the new background, by the way? I got a new desk for the time being, at least. Okay. What could I do to try to trick you guys with math? Those circles. What could be a really hard circle problem? Let me see. Ooh, that could be hard. I think we've already done it. Yeah, that was a 9th grade question, bro. Well, that's good, man. Honestly, if you think it's easy, then that's a really good thing. So, I mean, that's what's up. Thanks, bros. Thanks. I also got a new light. I should just do a desk tour, but it's like so boring. Okay. So revolutions are. Oh, dude, I did have a question I wanted to do. Okay, hold up. Let me find it really quick. I saved this question for you guys too. I was like, I want to do this. I want to do this with you guys. Hold on. I have to like delete like 100 icons off my desktop to find it. No. Okay, hold on. Let me get it. The next question is, what is the meaning of life? Just kidding. Okay, here's the problem. And this is actually from a previous stream, but so many people got it wrong that I want to do it again. And it has to do with circles. All right, cool. All right, so here's a question that is from earlier in the stream, like a couple months ago, or maybe like a month ago. But this is actually one that I think not a lot of people got right. So I want to do it with you guys just to make sure that you guys are legit. A wheel is moving forward at 12 rotations a minute. After a minute, the wheel has traveled 88 feet. How big is the radius of the wheel? Yeah, whiz, I totally do. I'm like growing it out. How many two-digit numbers are there not multiple of five? Well, Shad, count how many two-digit numbers are multiples of five, and then just subtract that. It's a good question, Laurel. Oh my god, a minute and a half. This is a hard question, bro. This is from a previous stream. Okay, Saggy Troy. Rachel. Dude, Rachel and Saggy have been crushing the chat today. Zach. 23 over 44. Geek. Alicia. Yeah, this is hard. Naruto. Laurel. Unsure. Potentially guessing. Shad. 2 and 3 over 44. Oh, sorry, bro. I'll fix that. Essence. I don't know. I normally write immortal. I'm just going to write that. Leo. Dude, what? Dude, I'm so proud, but also really mad at myself. I'm proud because you guys got this right, and I'm so proud of you guys. But I'm mad at myself because I thought this would be harder. A boss. Now the answers are coming in. Tejas. Was that Vena? I missed it. Dang. Vena got 22 over 3. Oh, and I gotta fix Henry's answer. It was 2 and 3/44. Oh my gosh. A skills got 7 over 3. Okay. Yeah, Muster. That's what's up. I got you immortal. I didn't forget. You, I think you're a little off, bro. Okay, cool. So let's go. I'll give you guys like 2 more seconds. Okay, that's enough. So let's go through this one. You guys absolutely incinerated it, Rodney. I'm so proud. I'm so happy, dude. Good job, guys. What's up, Anthony? Yeah, skills. You saw for the diameter player. All right, so let's go through this. 12 rotations a minute. Basically, what they're saying is a minute. 12 rotations will go 88 feet. Okay, so let's see how many 1 rotations go. Because if 12 rotations equals 88 feet, divided by 12, we're going to get 1 rotation. Would this be 6? No, it'd be 7. 7, 14, 7, 8. Cool. So I'm going to keep this as a fraction. So this could be 44 over 6. And this is the circumference, 44 over 6. And that could actually be 22 over 3. Sorry, 22 over 3. Vena, that's the circumference, yo. So that's how this goes down. If they ask for the circumference, you'd be good. How do we get the circumference to radius? Circumference equals 2 pi r. So we know that 22 over 3 is going to equal 2 pi times the radius. We know what pi is too. 22 over 3 equals 2 times 22 over 7 times the radius. Now this is kind of heinous. I mean, it just is, but we're going to have to work it out. So 22 over 3 equals 44 over 7 r. Okay, wow. So let's time this by 7. Let's time this by 7. 22, 7. This is a hard problem. I mean, I can't believe you guys all got it right. 14, 15. So that's going to be 154 over 3 equals 44r. Then we're going to times this. Could this actually? No, it doesn't work out. So then we're going to divide this by, I guess we have to. We're going to multiply this by 1 over 44. 1 over 44. What is 3 times 44? Dude, this problem is so heinous. How did everyone get it right? 12, 13, 132. So 154 over 132 equals r. And then I guess we just have to reduce that. That would be 75 plus 2, so 77. And this would be 66. Oh, that works out. So 7 over 6. Dude, the chat is right. Nice. That's what's up, dudes. That is what's up. You guys are so good. Oh, dude. That's so funny. You guys are so good. I'm like so happy for you guys because you guys have gotten so good at math. Nice. Really well done, bros. I really need to do some prep. Tomorrow's stream is like really, I'm so busy tomorrow. I'm doing like a presentation. So I can't really prep for the stream as much. But on Friday, I'm going to give you guys some hard problems for sure. So just be aware of that. I mean, I don't know. I thought these were hard, but you guys absolutely crushed them. It like, I don't know, man. I'm like, I feel disappointed in myself because I feel like I could have done harder problems, but you guys absolutely crushed it. Let's see, 11 minus 14. It's a presentation on just some of the stuff, just like based on like just some SHSAT stuff. Like it's just kind of like pretty much what I do on the stream, but less about the materials and more just about the test in general. So yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it short today, just because I need to eat before my session tomorrow. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna get out of here just because I have some stuff to do before my session later. But yeah, dudes, I'm like so proud of you guys. You guys have gotten so good. And it's your first day of school tomorrow. So just know that you guys have spent the last 2 months, 2.5 months? No, we started this in June. So the month of June, July, and the month of August. You guys have been at this for 3 months. That is crazy. And you guys have gotten so good. Yeah. Dude, I'm so pumped for you guys. Like when you guys get to the test, you're gonna be so much more prepared for doing all of this work, dude. Yeah, Leo, I think I'm gonna play. I'll be on the Discord later, so just we can find a time to play some Brawl Stars for sure. I'm totally done, totally down with that. I'm like barely alive right now. So, dude, you guys have been studying for 3 months, and I cannot throw you guys any curveballs. Like I've tried to throw you curveballs today, and you guys got every single thing that I threw at you. So definitely, really good job, dude. Like, yeah, really, really good job. So I mean, I'm really pumped for you guys. I think either Thursday or Friday, I'm gonna do a really hard stream, and I might do a super stream, maybe end of this week, maybe next week. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, I mean, just be proud of the work you guys have done, and then we are going to first or second day, Jordan, dude, June gang, time management. Yeah, we can talk about time management just generally. So time management, you want to start on the section you are better at. So if you're like crushing math, then you need to start on the math section and just skip through the reading section, start with the math section, and crush the math section. They will tell you when your half time is up. You know what I mean? They'll be like, oh, that's an hour and a half, and move on to the other section, but you don't have to. Just make sure that your section that you're really good at is awesome. Because if you're towards perfect at the end of the section, each question is worth like 10 points, bros. But if you're in the middle, like if you get half of the questions wrong, each question is only worth 2 points. So you want to try to get as close to perfect as possible on just one section. So whatever that section is, just do that section first. That's the time management thing. Because then if you have to go 2 minutes over, 3 minutes over to finish it, at least you finish the section where you should get a perfect. And then the other section, you just got to make sure you're better than, most. You don't have to be like so hardcore on both sections. So yeah, Muster. So yeah, yeah, exactly, a boss. You can just watch that video that I have. It's called Hack the SHSAT, and it shows you how to do it and all that different way. All right, dudes. So, dude, thanks so much for coming back. I'm sorry I wasn't here the past 2 days, but life has changed, bro. That's about as deep as I can get. All right, dudes. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.